It looks like Samsung might be getting ready to make one of its smartest moves in years, and surprisingly, it isn't another Ultra model. The first real signs of the Galaxy S26 FE are already showing up, and if these early details hold true, this could be the phone that quietly delivers the biggest value in Samsung's entire lineup. The most interesting part is that the biggest upgrade may not even be the camera or the display. It's what's happening inside. The first clue comes from a new Geekbench appearance tied to the model number, SMS741. Benchmark listings don't tell the whole story, but they often reveal the hardware a company is testing before launch. In this case, the listing points toward a deca-core processor with clock speeds reaching up to 3.3 GHz. That's already enough to get Samsung fans talking, but the real surprise comes from the source code attached to that benchmark. If you've been following Samsung lately, tell me whether you'd actually choose an FE phone over the flagship Ultra after hearing these details. According to the Geekbench source code, the graphics processor is listed as the Eclipse 950 GPU. That's important because it strongly suggests Samsung is preparing the Galaxy S26 FE with its Exynos 2500 chipset. For months, many people expected Samsung to continue separating its flagship processors from the FE series, but this leak hints that the company may be bringing much newer silicon into a more affordable device than expected. Now, before getting too excited, remember that benchmark listings are early test units. Hardware can still change before launch. But when multiple technical details line up like this, they usually paint a pretty reliable picture of what Samsung is working on behind the scenes. And that's where things start getting even more interesting. The same benchmark entry also reveals that the phone is running Android 17. That tells us Samsung is clearly developing the device alongside its newest software generation instead of treating it like a late-cycle refresh. Combined with approximately 8 GB of RAM shown in the listing, the Galaxy S26 FE appears to be targeting a balance between performance and efficiency instead of simply chasing bigger numbers. That approach actually fits the entire philosophy behind Samsung's Fan Edition lineup. These phones have never been about having every premium feature imaginable. Instead, they're designed to keep the features people actually use every day while trimming away some of the expensive extras. If Samsung executes that balance correctly again, the S26 FE could become one of the easiest Galaxy phones to recommend. But there's another reason this chipset matters. The Exynos 2500 isn't just about raw performance. Based on what has been suggested around Samsung's newer chip development, the focus appears to be improving battery behavior and heat management rather than simply chasing benchmark records. For everyday users, that's arguably much more valuable than seeing slightly higher performance numbers during synthetic testing. A phone that stays cooler and lasts longer throughout the day often feels faster in real life than one that's constantly fighting heat, and that brings us to something many Galaxy fans have been waiting years to hear. Samsung's Exynos processors have faced criticism in previous generations. Some users questioned efficiency. Others complained about thermal performance compared to competing chips. That's exactly why this leak is attracting so much attention. If the Galaxy S26 FE really launches with the Exynos 2500, and Samsung has genuinely addressed those weaknesses, this device could completely reshape opinions about the Exynos brand. That's a much bigger story than simply launching another Fan Edition phone. Looking back at the Galaxy S25 FE also helps explain Samsung's direction. That device slimmed down to around 190 grams while keeping its large 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It also paired that experience with a 900 mAh battery and Samsung's long-term software support strategy. Rather than reinventing the FE formula, Samsung focused on refining it. If the company follows the same strategy again, the Galaxy S26 FE may not look dramatically different on the outside. Instead, most of the meaningful improvements could happen internally. That's often where smartphones become noticeably better in daily use without looking completely different in marketing images. Now, here's the twist that makes this leak especially fascinating. Everyone usually pays attention to the Ultra model because that's where Samsung packs every possible feature. But sometimes the most exciting phone is actually the one sitting quietly below it. If the S26 FE really combines newer hardware, Android 17, balanced memory, and Samsung's next-generation chip improvements while maintaining the Fan Edition philosophy, it could end up delivering far better overall value than many people expect. That's not something most buyers were predicting only a few months ago. There's also the expected launch window. Current information points toward a Q3 2026 release. That timing would match Samsung's previous Fan Edition strategy, giving the company enough room after the flagship Galaxy S26 series before introducing a more affordable alternative. It also allows Samsung additional time to continue optimizing both the software and the chipset before the final retail version reaches customers. Of course, it's still worth remembering that this information comes from benchmark discoveries and early development evidence. Until Samsung officially announces the device, details can always change. Benchmark listings represent testing hardware, not necessarily the exact product that eventually ships. But historically, these kinds of appearances have often provided an early glimpse into Samsung's roadmap. My prediction is that Samsung isn't trying to build another phone that wins spec sheet battles. Instead, I think the company wants the Galaxy S26 FE to become the phone that most people should actually buy. If the Exynos 2500 delivers the battery and thermal improvements people have been asking for, this could quietly become one of Samsung's biggest success stories of the year. Even if it never gets as much attention as the Ultra, the biggest surprise may not be how powerful it is, but how complete the overall package feels. So what do you think? Could the Galaxy S26 FE end up being the smarter Galaxy purchase than the flagship models? Or are you still waiting to see more before making up your mind? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to stay ahead of every Galaxy leak before it becomes official, make sure you're subscribed because we've got plenty more insider updates coming.